If you're looking for the best premium noise-canceling headphones in 2026, two names dominate the conversation: AirPods Max 2 and Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2nd Gen. Apple has finally refreshed its flagship headphones with a new H2 chip, stronger noise cancellation, and smarter computational audio. The new AirPods Max 2 starts at $549, keeping it firmly in the premium headphone category. Meanwhile, Bose continues refining its legendary ANC headphones with improved comfort, longer battery life, and immersive audio features. So the real question is, which one should you buy? In this video, we'll break down the key differences between AirPods Max 2 and Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2nd Gen to help you decide. And if you want to buy either of these headphones, check the links in the description. Design and build. Starting with the design, the AirPods Max 2 keeps the same premium design language as the original model. You still get aluminum ear cups, a stainless steel frame, and Apple's breathable mesh headband, giving the headphones a very premium look and feel. However, the design hasn't changed much and the headphones still don't fold, which makes them less portable when traveling. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2nd Gen focuses more on comfort and portability. The headphones are lighter, softer, and the ear cups fold for easier travel. So overall, AirPods Max 2 feels more premium, while Bose offers better comfort and portability. Sound quality. When it comes to sound quality, both headphones deliver excellent audio but with slightly different tuning. The AirPods Max 2 uses Apple's new H2 chip, which improves computational audio processing and overall clarity. The sound profile is very balanced, with clean vocals and detailed highs. You also get personalized spatial audio with head tracking, which creates a more immersive experience when watching movies or listening to compatible content. Meanwhile, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2nd Gen offers a warmer sound signature with deeper bass. Bose also includes immersive audio, which expands the soundstage for a more cinematic listening experience. So if you prefer balanced sound, AirPods Max 2 is great, while bass-rich audio lovers may prefer Bose. Active noise cancellation. Noise cancellation is one of the biggest highlights of both headphones. The AirPods Max 2 improves ANC using the new H2 chip, allowing it to block out more environmental noise than the previous generation. However, Bose has always been known for industry-leading ANC, and the QuietComfort Ultra 2nd Gen continues to deliver excellent noise isolation for travel and noisy environments. Connectivity and smart features. The AirPods Max 2 shines when it comes to the Apple ecosystem. You get instant pairing with iPhone, seamless switching between Apple devices, spatial audio support, and Siri integration. Apple has also switched to USB-C charging, which is a welcome upgrade. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2nd Gen, on the other hand, focuses on flexibility with Bluetooth multi-point connectivity, allowing you to connect to two devices at the same time. Battery life. Battery life is another important difference. The AirPods Max 2 offers around 20 hours of listening time with active noise cancellation enabled. Meanwhile, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2nd Gen can deliver around 30 hours of battery life, giving it a clear advantage for longer listening sessions. Final verdict. If you're deeply invested in the Apple ecosystem, the AirPods Max 2 is a great choice with strong integration, spatial audio, and improved sound processing. But if your priority is comfort, longer battery life, and industry-leading noise cancellation, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2nd Gen may actually be the better option. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Smartwatch Radar, and I'll see you in the next one.